Hello everyone, this is Minakshi. I am going to take the maths of class 7th, lesson number 6, simple equations, part 3, exercise number 6.1. Question number 4. So, a question number 4 it is given equation and a value. So, here a equation is given that is 2x plus 5 equals to 11 and value is given x equals to 3. So here we have to check that is this value that is x equals to 3 which is given, is it satisfies this equation, or when we simplify this equation is that we will get the value of x as 3. So for that we have to simplify this given equation. So simplify the equation, and the equation it is given 2x plus 5 equals to 11. So when we are going to simplify the equation, always remember one thing, that this is the one term which is a variable term, because here x is present and x is a variable, so it is a variable term. This is a numerical term and this also a numerical term. So here we can simplify or we can perform addition and subtraction only with the numerical term with numerical and a variable term with variable. So here 2x is a variable term and 5 is a numerical term, so we cannot perform the addition between these two, but we can transfer this 5 to right hand side. Then plus 5 will become minus 5, and then 11 and 5 both are the numerical terms, so we can simplify them. Okay. So here we will transfer 5 to another side. So it will become 2x equals to 11 minus 5, and 11 minus 5 is equals to 6. So that is 2x equals to 6. Now here we want the value of x, and here 2 and x are given in the form of multiplication. So we will transfer this 2 to right hand side, and the 2 where it is given in the form of multiplication, it goes in the form of division. So here we will get x equals to 6 divided by 2, and 6 divided by 2 is equals to 3. Therefore x is equals to 3. So here the value is given x as 3. It means by simplifying this equation we got the value of x as 3. It means therefore the equation is satisfied. So here we will write therefore equation is satisfied. Then the next equation it is given x plus 5 equals to 0, and the value for it is given 0. So we will simplify the equation and we will see that after simplifying that we will get x as 0 or not. So the equation is given x plus 5 equals to 0. Now here x is a variable term, 5 is a numerical, so 5 we will transfer to right hand side, and plus 5 will become minus 5. So here we will write x equals to 0 minus 5, and 0 minus 5 is equals to minus 5. So therefore x equals to minus 5. So here we got x is equals to minus 5, but here the value is given x equals to 0. Therefore the equation not satisfied. Then the next it is given the equation and the value. The equation is given 4x equals to 24, and the value for it is given x equals to minus 6. So we will simplify this equation and we will find that by simplifying we are getting the x as minus 6 or not. So the given equation is 4x into 24. So 4 and x are in the form of multiplication. We will transfer this 4 to right hand side and it will goes in the form of division, that is x equals to 24 divided by 4, and 24 divided by 4 is equals to 6. Therefore here we got x equals to 6. It means the value doesn't satisfy, because here we got x as 6 and the value is given as minus 6. Therefore the equation not satisfied. Then the next equation it is given 8x equals to 32, and the value for it has given 4. So we simplify the equation to get the value of x. Therefore the given equation we will write that is 8x equals to 32. and we will transfer 8 to right hand side, so it will goes in the form of division as it is given in the form of multiplication. Therefore x equals to 32 divided by 8, and 32 divided by 8 is equals to 4. So here we got the value of x as 4 and the given value of x is also 4. It means therefore the equation is satisfied. Then the next equation it is given x minus 10 equals to 12, and the value for it is given that x equals to 22. So we will simplify this equation to find out the value of x is 22 or not. So therefore x minus 10 equals to 12. This is the given equation. Now we will transfer this minus 10 to right hand side. It will become plus 10. Therefore x equals to 12 plus 10, and 12 plus 10 is equals to 22. Therefore here we got x equals to 22. Therefore the equation is satisfied. So this is how we have to find out the value of a variable, as x is here a variable, and when a question is given to find out the value of x, that time we have to simplify this equation to get a value of a variable. But here the value of a variable is given and we have to find out in this question that this value is satisfied this equation or not, or by simplifying this equation we will get that value or not. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this question number 4 is understand by you. Please do like, subscribe and share to my channel if you like my teaching. Thank you so much.